What time do you arrive home?
At 7 o'clock.
Are you tired?
Yes, usually.
What do you do first at home?
I take off my shoes.
Do you change your clothes?
Yes, into comfortable clothes.
Where do you put your handbag?
On the shelf.
Do you wash your hands?
Yes, immediately.
Do you rest a little?
Yes, for 10 minutes.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, most days.
What time do you start cooking?
At 7:30.
What are you cooking tonight?
Chicken and rice.
How long does it take?
About 30 minutes.
Does your husband help?
Yes, he helps me.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Sometimes.
Do you use recipes?
Where do you find recipes?
On the internet.
What is your favorite dish to cook?
Pasta with vegetables.
Do you cook every day?
Almost every day.
What time is dinner?
At 8 o'clock.
Where do you eat dinner?
In the dining room.
Do you set the table?
Yes, I do.
What do you put on the table?
Plates, glasses, and cutlery.
Do you eat with your family?
Yes, with my husband.
What do you talk about?
About our day.
What do you drink at dinner?
Water or juice.
Do you have dessert?
Sometimes fruit.
Who washes the dishes?
My husband.
Do you have a dishwasher?
Yes, we do.
What do you do after dinner?
I relax on the sofa.
Do you watch television?
Yes, for an hour.
What programs do you like?
Dramas and comedies.
Do you watch the news?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you use your phone in the evening?
Yes, a little.
Do you check social media?
Yes, for a few minutes.
Do you read books?
Yes, before bed.
What kind of books?
Novels.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, calm music.
Do you talk to your husband?
Yes, we talk a lot.
Do you clean the house?
Yes, on weekends.
Do you do laundry?
Yes, twice a week.
Where is the washing machine?
In the bathroom.
Do you iron clothes?
Yes, I do.
Do you vacuum the floor?
Yes, on Saturdays.
Who cleans the bathroom?
I clean it.
Does your husband help?
Yes, he helps a lot.
Do you like cleaning?
Not really.
How long does cleaning take?
About 2 hours.
Is your home tidy?
Yes, usually.
What time do you go to bed?
At 11 o'clock.
What do you do before bed?
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Do you remove your makeup?
Yes, always.
Do you take a shower at night?
Sometimes.
What do you wear to bed?
A nightgown.
Do you read in bed?
Yes, for 15 minutes.
Do you set your alarm?
Yes, for 7 o'clock.
Is your bedroom dark?
Yes, I close the curtains.
Do you sleep with the window open?
In summer, yes.
How many hours do you sleep?
About 8 hours.
Do you work on weekends?
No, I don't.
What time do you wake up on Saturday?
At 9 o'clock.
What time do you wake up on Saturday?
At 9 o'clock.
Do you have a big breakfast?
Yes, bigger than weekdays.
What do you eat?
Pancakes and eggs.
Who cooks on weekends?
My husband.
What do you do on Saturday morning?
I clean the house.
Do you do laundry on Saturday?
Yes, I do.
Do you go shopping on Saturday?
Yes, in the afternoon.
Where do you go?
To the supermarket.
Do you go alone?
No, with my husband.
Do you make a shopping list?
Yes, always.
What do you buy?
Food and household items.
Do you buy fresh fruit?
Yes, every week.
What fruit do you buy?
Apples, oranges, and bananas.
Do you buy vegetables? Yes, many kinds. Do you buy bread?
Yes, fresh bread.
Do you buy milk?
Yes, 2 liters.
Do you buy meat?
Yes, chicken and fish.
How much does shopping cost?
About 60 euros.
How do you pay?
By card.
What do you do in your free time?
I read and go for walks.
Do you have a hobby?
Yes, photography.
Do you take many photos?
Yes, I do.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I do yoga.
How often do you do yoga?
Twice a week.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, once a week.
Do you like swimming?
Yes, very much.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, a cat.
What is her name?
Mimi.
Do you like gardening?
Yes, I have flowers on the balcony.
Do you visit your parents?
Yes, every Sunday.
Do they live far?
No, 20 minutes away.
How do you get there?
By car.
Do you have lunch with them? Yes, we do. Does your mother cook?
Yes, she is a great cook.
Do you help her?
Yes, in the kitchen.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, one sister.
Does she visit too?
Yes, every Sunday.
Do you stay long?
Yes, until evening.
Do you enjoy these visits?
Yes, very much.
Are you healthy?
Yes, I am.
Do you get sick often?
No, rarely.
Do you take vitamins?
Yes, every day.
Do you eat healthy food?
Yes, I try to.
Do you drink enough water?
Yes, 2 liters a day.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, 3 times a week.
Do you go to the doctor?
Yes, once a year.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, usually.
Do you feel stressed?
Sometimes at work.
How do you relax?
I take walks and read.
What are your plans for tomorrow?
I am going to meet a friend.
Where will you meet?
At a cafe.
What will you do?
We will talk and drink coffee.
What are you doing this weekend?
I'm visiting my parents.
Are you going anywhere next month?
Yes, to the seaside.
How long is your holiday?
1 week.
Are you excited?
Yes, very excited.
What will you do there?
Swim and relax.
Who are you going with?
With my husband.
Will you take photos?
Yes, many photos.
Do you like your life?
Yes, I do.
Are you happy?
Yes, very happy.
What makes you happy?
My family and friends.
Do you have dreams?
Yes, I do.
What is your biggest dream?
To travel the world.
Where do you want to go?
To Italy and France.
Do you want to learn something new?
Yes, to play piano.
Do you want children?
Yes, in the future.
What is important to you?
Health and family.
Are you grateful for your life?
Yes, very grateful.
Do you like your city?
Yes, I do.
Is it a big city?
Yes, quite big.
Is it a big?
Yes, very safe.
Do you like your neighbors?
Yes, they are friendly.
Do you like mornings or evenings?
Evenings.